Today we are going to see about how to apply fellowship courses after MBBS in CMC. Click on student, click on apply for course, download admission bulletin postgraduate fellowship. Postgraduate fellowship admission May 2020. Postgraduate fellowship courses 2020. Available courses accident and emergency medicine 2 years course, number of seats 10, eligibility is MBBS degree, and palliative medicine 1 year course, number of seats 2, eligibility MBBS degree. These two courses available for MBBS graduates. These are fellowship courses. These fellowship courses selection based on NEET PG score or specialty exam is there in CMC. Computer based test. Application date are closed. Exam not yet conducted. You can apply for next year. It's the same date. Step 1 will be computer based test. Step 2 will be practical test and interview. Application fee will be 1000 rupees. You can apply with NEET PG score or and you can write entrance test conducted by CMC. Weightage will be given to those who are recommended to minority network category by eligible minority network organization of the CMC Vellore Association or Council, those who have served in areas of need. Fellowship courses selection based on NEET PG score obtained by the candidate or the marks scored by the candidate in the respective specialty paper, depending on the candidate's option in the application form, and on the basis of practical tests and interviews. Computer based test will be conducted. Exam duration will be 90 minutes. Read prospectus clearly. Stipend will be given for fellowship courses after MBBS. Fees for fellowship courses. College administrative fee, 1 year course 5,000, 2 year course 6,000, and Alumni Association life membership 5,000 for 1 year course, 2 year course 5,000. Total will be 1 year course 31,000, 2 year 46,500. This is format of certification to be filled in for or in areas of need. And computer based test instruction given in this page. Read thoroughly. Timing will be computer based test 90 minutes, contain 120 questions, 1 mark for each answer. You can read details in college prospectus. Go to page number 30. You can see postgraduate fellowship courses after MBBS. Accident and emergency medicine, eligibility MBBS, duration 2 years, number of seats 10. Palliative medicine, eligibility MBBS, duration 1 year, number of seats 2. You can read all details about postgraduate fellow. You can read distance education programs offered by CMC. Click on distance education. You can register here to get notified when will be course started and admission process, application. Click here to register. I already filled the form, so it shows you have already responded. You can fill any form and get notified during the admission process.